Custom 3D mural wallpaper is sold in square meters. The size of the wall must be measured before purchase. Such as video display, the width of this wall equals 2.85 meters. Height equals 2.45 meters. Its area is 2.85 times 2.45 equals 6.98 square meters. So you must buy the product quantity 7. Please note that the size of the wall must be noted in the order message. Or you can tell us via AliExpress mail. This is very important. If there is no order for the size, we will send it according to the default size described on the website. Please read the product description for details.